Hey everyone, Chef Ben here for Giant Eagle, and today we're celebrating 4th of July by making our famous Firecracker Coleslaw. It's quick, it's easy, it's colorful, and it is sure to add a blast of flavor to your 4th of July festivities. Let's start with the dressing. We're first going to add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of fresh garlic, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of celery seed. To this, we're going to add about a half a cup of sugar and a cup of apple cider vinegar. Stir this together to make sure the sugar and seasonings start to dissolve in the vinegar. Next, add in 4 ounces of canola oil slowly to the dressing using a whisk to stir until emulsified. This step also works great in the blender. Continue to whisk until all the ingredients are broken up and the oil starts to incorporate into the dressing. Next, we're going to make the coleslaw. To this, we're going to start with 1.5 pounds of shredded cabbage. Green cabbage, Savoy cabbage, Napa cabbage, any type of cabbage you want to use works really well for this recipe. We're going to add to this 2 cups of thinly sliced red bell pepper, 2 cups of thinly sliced yellow bell pepper, 2 cups of shredded carrots, 1 cup of thinly sliced green onions, 1 cup of fresh chopped parsley, and 1 cup finely minced fresh jalapeños. Stir this together until the cabbage and the vegetables are blended. Next, we're going to slowly add in our dressing. Mix again until the dressing is covering all of the ingredients. For best results, allow this to sit for at least an hour before serving. Now that our Firecracker Coleslaw is made, you can enjoy it as a side or try it with seafood, tacos, burgers, chicken, sausages, whatever you like. My favorite way to do it is with barbecued pulled pork. I like to stack a nice heaping scoop on top of my sandwich